Hey friends, this is Miss Barron. I am going to teach you how to use the sneaky E strategy to change a short vowel A sound, into a long vowel A sound, A. I have made a list of words for you that are CVC words, consonant, vowel, consonant words, with the short A sound as the medial sound, the sound in the middle. So the words I have for you are at, rat, app, map, app, tap, act, cat, can. What we're going to do now is I'm going to put a sneaky E at the end of my very first word. So now my word has changed. Anytime we use a sneaky E tells the vowel to say his name. And so now our A is not going to say anymore. It's going to say his name, A. So our new word is rate. Rate. Remember, sneaky E, he's so sneaky, we don't even hear him at the end of the word. Let's try it with the next word. We have app, map. We're going to add the sneaky E at the end, and it's going to remind A to say A. A, mape. We've made a new word. Is it a real word or a nonsense word? You're right. It's a nonsense word. So we're going to put a big X next to it. That's not a real word, but we can read those letters together. Let's read it again. Ape, mape. Let's read our next word. App, tap. I'm going to add my sneaky E to the end of my word. And I know that sneaky E makes my vowel say his name. Let's sound it out. Tape. Tape. Is tape a real word? Yes. Let's give it a smiley face. That's a real word. Let's do the next one. At, cat. Now I'm going to add my sneaky E. You sound the word out on your own. Did you say ate, Kate? Then you said the right word, but Kate is not a real word. So we're going to put an X next to it. That's a nonsense word. Here's our next one. Can. You try this time, all on your own. Did you write your sneaky E at the end? Did you check to make sure that the vowel A said his name? Let's sound it out. Cane. Cane. Is that a real word or a nonsense word? It's a real word, so we'll give it a smiley face. Now you know how to use sneaky E to change short vowel A into long vowel A. Thanks for watching.